Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make Eggs Benedict. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 8 eggs, 4 slices of Canadian bacon, 2 English muffins, a half cup of melted butter, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of vinegar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and an 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We'll start by filling a large pot half full with water. Then we'll heat our water on the stovetop over medium heat, and add our tablespoon of vinegar to our water. While the water is heating, we'll melt our butter over low heat, and heat a skillet over medium-high heat to cook our Canadian bacon. Once our skillet is heated, we'll let our Canadian bacon cook until heated through and the edges are crispy, about 3 minutes per side. Then we'll separate the yolks from 4 of our eggs and place them in a large cup, reserving our whites for another recipe. Then we'll split our English muffins with a fork and toast them in a toaster or the oven to our desired doneness. Then we'll crack our remaining 4 eggs, one at a time, into a small bowl or cup. We'll stir our barely simmering water until a vortex forms, and then carefully poach our eggs, one at a time, for about 4 minutes each. The vortex will ensure the whites of our egg wrap around the yolk. Once our egg is done, we'll remove it from the water with a slotted spoon and place it on a paper towel-lined plate while we poach our remaining eggs. While the eggs are poaching, we'll make our Hollandaise sauce. We'll transfer our melted butter to a container with a spout. Then we'll add our tablespoon of lemon juice, quarter teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper to our egg yolks. While it's possible to do this by hand, I'm going to be using an immersion blender. We'll blend together our egg yolk mixture while slowly pouring in our melted butter until it lightens in color and doubles in volume. Once our eggs have finished poaching, we'll assemble our Eggs Benedict. We'll place our cut English muffin on a plate, put 1 piece of Canadian bacon on each English muffin half, top each with a poached egg, then spoon our Hollandaise sauce over each egg. We'll serve this warm. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.